What is going on YouTube? Tyrant Rex here, coming with my updated trade binder of the week. I have some new stuff that might be popular in a later format. Also, I'm attending the sneak peek for Shadow Specters next week. So yeah, my wants are simple really. I need 2 Master Key Beetles, 2 Safe Zones, a playset of Imperial Iron Wall from Legendary Collection 4, hopefully. And also, I'm playing this new trading card. It's called Weiss. I'm playing the sword art. So I need 3 more Lisbeth Professional Pride and some other cards. Those will be down below. For Vanguard, I need the new Ancient Dragon Tachikaze. I'm trying to build a deck and I don't have any of the cards, so hopefully you guys do. And for the rest of the Weiss Swords, I'll put down below. I trade anything basically, Yu-Gi-Oh for Vanguard for Yu-Gi-Oh or whatever, really, and diverse. So let's get started. First off, I still have my playset of triple of 3 Constellars Sunbreak German first deck, playset of DT Constellar Pollux, DT of Constellar Cows, and a playset of Constellar Algieri, playset of Mecha Fanabeat Hamstrat, playset of Mega Raptor, playset of Tether Wolves, 2 Draw and Lock Birds, a playset of Valkyrie of the Nordic Ascendant, 1 Red Dragon Archfey, 1 Infernity Doom Dragon, first at Ultra, some Cyber Dragon cards, pretty cool. I have 2 Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon Ultra Rare, 2 Cyber Twin Dragons, 1 Ultra Rare Cyber End Dragon from Cybernetic Revolution, and 1 rare one from Duelist Pack. I don't know from which one. And 1 Ultra Chimera. Wait, is it Ultra? Yes, Ultra. I don't know what pack it's from, but yeah. I have a playset of Cyber Dragons. 1 is common, 2 are secret rare. A playset of Cyber Dragon Swai. And 1 Ultimate Power Bond first deck. Pretty cool. Playset of Heliotropes. A playset of Kirkion first dead, a playset of Caster, 1 Dark Hole, original magic card, 2 Forbidden Dress, 1 is first dead, and 1 is unlimited, 2 Vanity Emptiness, both are first dead near mint, and 3 Infestation Pandemic. Onto Vanguard, I have 2 Silverthorn Dragon Luquier, 3 Nightmare Doll Alice, and 3 Sword Magician Sarahs, as well as 3 of the Perfect Guard and Haste Hypnosis. I have a playset of Battle of the Twin Brush Polaris, 1 School Hunter Leopold, 1 Binoculus Tiger, 3 Perfect Guard Cable Sheep, and 2 Monoculus Tiger, and yeah, 1 Night Utility Masquerade, and 1 Fantasy Pedalstorm. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Please message me if you're interested. I am looking for Weiss Sword Art Online cards. My wants, I'll make a want list down below. Please PM me. I don't really answer the comments. And yeah, hope to hear from you, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see ya. Bye, you guys.